episode, we are seated again talking about awkward goat, which sucks. I have been talking about her, so I think my algo has picked it up, and I have been seeing a lot more stuff about her, like people making videos about her, or like her own reels, or like her own shorts and stuff. So, like, my algo weirdly has picked up. Anyways, let's talk about what I saw. I know Karwa Chauth has been over for a while now, but I saw her reel saying Karwa Chauth is only catering to husband, and if you are both keeping it, then it's fair. But if only your wife is keeping it, then you are supposed to be hated, and because like you are keeping your wife dehydrated, and you are evil. Do you even love her? This, that, and the other. And I am confused because I feel a woman can choose to fast, not fast, eat, not eat. But when like a man chooses to not eat or eat, then it's a problem. And also someone commented that women are lower than men. Sir, you are lower than all of us, okay? And both men and women are scientifically equal. It is like awkward code. It doesn't mean that I feel like men are superior. That's not what I am saying. I have ever said. I will never say that because men, women are equal. They are. I always say there shouldn't be a gender war. We should always see the strengths and shortcomings of each other, and we should in a way we complete each other. That's why God has sent us as women and men, okay? Because we need each other and we want each other. I also think sometimes she says the right points, right? She takes up like really critical issues and she talks about it. My problem with her is like she says 4 points completely universally like right, factual, but the fifth point would be rage baity. I've always said this in my previous videos, and like I will always keep on saying that she is smart. She is very smart. She knows what she's doing. She's trying to make money. If you go to her Insta, because my algo has picked up, so I was in my explore thing, I was recommended her. I mean, I was not recommended, I saw it, so I just clicked on it because I don't know, I was curious. So it says I'm counseling a psychologist, which, ma'am, you say you have applied clinical psychologist um, degree, okay? Like I think she has an applied psychology and an MSc or something like that. I'm confused. I don't know what that is, okay? So I'm not gonna comment, but I do know clinical and counseling is different, okay? Counseling is like basically you talk them through things, okay? And clinical also does similar things, but not what she does, okay? I personally feel her stance are very weird. There's also this other girl. I don't know her at all. I've never seen her. I've just started seeing her because of the algo thing. I saw her in Awkward Goats reel. Her, I think her name is Muskan something. I can't remember her last name, but she said something about Gandhiji, that he was a pedophile and blah blah blah. Factually, it is, he used to sleep naked with like women in his family to see if he can control himself. Yes, that's very factual, very true. Is he a pedophile? I don't know. I wasn't there. Was he convicted? I don't know. I wasn't there. And on Google it says he was never convicted, and I believe that because he's the father of our nation. Now, when you can separate art from artist, why can't we separate good from bad when it comes to the father of your nation? I do not condone that. I feel like yes, that is wrong, and if he actually was a pedophile, or it was proven, or it was even like assume that people thought ki, like he might be a pedophile, I don't think he should be the father of the nation. Then I don't know, I am not a politician. I'm not well versed in Mahatma Gandhi's biography or any, but not biography, but like what I mean, I have not read anything about him. I only know these things from reels and Google, to be honest. I have not researched, so I'm not the expert here, and I am not going to pretend like I am. So if Mahatma Gandhi was at fault, I think then yeah, there should be some actions taken against him, and like he should be removed as the father of a nation. But when women do something, then you're like, oh, ladko ki galti hogi. But when men, I'm not justifying Mahatma Gandhi's actions here, I don't know him, okay? But all I'm saying is not all men are same. Yes, some are evil, but so are girls. And always targeting Hinduism is making me very angry. I'm only saying this because जब एक केस हुआ था about the alimony and like the extortion and stuff, तो उसमें like proven facts she was denying, because she was like, no, the woman is right, and like most women go through this. Nobody denies that. Nobody denies that most women are oppressed, most women are going through a lot of things. But when a man is suffering, when a man is like legally he won, okay, and then you are saying these things, I think then that's like not okay. Then men will start hating you, and there is a reason, because you are basically oppressing men, because you feel कि लड़कियों को oppress किया जा रहा है तो लड़कों को oppress करो, तो equal उस पे आ जाएगा wavelength पे, पर ऐसा होता नहीं है. आप बस अपने लिए अपने haters लेकर आ रहे हो. But I think she likes that because if you like watch her reels, which I did, I'm sorry, but she wants engagement, okay. She says, like, she always says, I'm a clinical psychologist, or I'm a counseling therapist, or whatever the fuck she says. So she always gives you the resume, okay. So she becomes like a credible for people who don't know about her, okay. And she talks about things like in a very condescending way, in my opinion. But I just feel that her takes are targeting Hinduism, are targeting men, also targeting women who are choosing differently from her, which I don't think that's feminism. I think feminism is the right to choose, and even if it's, you know, completely opposite than you, it's still the woman's right to choose. You know, you're just taking away. You are basically calling yourself feminist and hating men. Also, I'm not a politician again, okay, but there, and I don't want any, like, you know, people saying ki you're supporting this party, that, but I do not want to disclose what party I support, okay. But she was talking about that one party, party A, let's say, and party B had a dispute, and like one party made the other party wear like a sari, and that is like making him believe that he's a woman. Have you never played truth or dare? Have you never lost a bet or anything? बिकॉज एवरीबडी मिसाजनिस्ट, ओके, बट मेरा एक पॉइंट है, ठीक है, गलत भी हो सकता है, अब मुझे बताना. अगर कोई लड़का साड़ी पहन रहा है तो क्या वो लड़की है? तो क्या लड़के साड़ी नहीं पहन सकते अगर वो चाहते हैं तो अगर वो साड़ी पहन रहे हैं तो आपको लगता है कि वो लड़की बनना चाहते हैं या क्या? मतलब लाइक आप मिसाजनिस्ट हो रहे हैं यहाँ पे कि लड़के नहीं पहन सकते, या आप आपका पॉइंट क्या है? हमको समझ में नहीं आता. ऑकवर्ड, लाइक आप कभी कुछ बोलते हैं, आप कभी कुछ और. अगर लड़के चूज़ करें साड़ी पहनना तो उसमें क्या गलत है? अगर वो बैठ हार के साड़ी पहन रहे हैं तो उसमें क्या गलत है? ऑल्सो maybe most of you don't care about me because you know you don't know me, that's fine, but I've been getting a lot of comments. Also, this is my baby spit up, so ignore that. Asking why am I a single parent, why did I choose to be a single parent, or was I cheated, or was I left alone, or was I blah blah blah, which fair questions. You don't know me from Adam, so I understand. Also, people are assuming that I'm very young to have a baby, which I don't know, thank you. And also like I'm using a lot of filters. भाई ये मेरी शक्ल है, ठीक है, मैंने अपने बाल तक नहीं करे, रात के 2:30 बज रहे हैं, कुछ भी नहीं किया है मैंने जीवन में. अगर मैं थोड़ा सा मेकअप भी कभी कभी कर लेती हूँ, वो सिर्फ एक एल्विश की वीडियो पे मैंने कर रखी थी बिकॉज मैं 12:30 बजे कहीं से वापस आई थी, और अगर किसी ने मेरे एक्शन पे दोबारा मजाक उड़ाया, आई स्वेयर टू फकिंग गॉड. एनीवेज, पॉइंट इज कि नहीं, ये मेरी अपनी चॉइस थी. माई पेरेंट्स पास्ड अवे 5 years ago, 2020 December, and I was just like doing my own thing, and then I realized like there is like a void. I wanted my own family. I never wanted kids before, but when this happened to me, I like, you know, it was like an earning for my family, but I never wanted to be married because my parents were divorced. And not saying like सबकी शादी नहीं चलती है, but I've never seen a happy married life in my life. आपकी लाइफ में क्या है मुझे नहीं पता, पर मेरी लाइफ में मैंने किसी को खुश नहीं देखा शादी करने के बाद. Everybody starts complaining, everybody like starts nitpicking मेरे हिसाब से. तो मेरे को कभी शादी ही नहीं करनी थी बचपन से. तो बट लाइक आई वॉन्टेड अ फैमिली, एंड दिस वॉज द बेस्ट थिंग आई कुड डू, एंड आई कुड फॉर्चुनेटली अफोर्ड टू डू दिस, सो आई चोज दिस राउट. मैं सबके लिए नहीं कहती बिकॉज दिस इज गोइंग टू बी डिफिकल्ट एंड वेरी वेरी एक्सपेंसिव जर्नी, बिकॉज इट्स जस्ट you yourself, and you know nobody is going to come and like help you out. So if you choose the same route, I'm not trying to influence anybody to do the same. First of all, you need a lot of money and a lot of privilege and a lot of, you know, patience and all of those things. So I wouldn't recommend this, but this was the best decision for me, and nobody left me, nobody cheated on me, I promise. Not to say that I've never been cheated on, but I am saying that there's no baby daddy, nothing like that. And if there were, I would have told you. And even if I was not married, I would have told you these things. Like if there was a guy, I went to Apollo, and you can do the same, and you get IVF, you get sperm donor, they screen it for you. It's a very expensive journey, but when you really want something, you go for it, right? Like this was what's it for me. So this was a bit about me. I'm sorry if you're not interested, you can just skip. Back to Awkward Goat and her misogynistic, misandrist views of life and people and everybody. She thinks कि 2 तरीके के होते हैं, एक oppressed woman, दूसरा misogynist people. I feel she needs to, as a therapist, as like therapist is like a umbrella term because मुझे पता नहीं कि exactly क्या है, because वो कभी बोलते clinical psychologist, कभी बोलते counseling psychologist, so I really don't know, but I'm gonna like put like an umbrella term, like she's a therapist, okay? I'm sure that she does not prescribe medicines to anybody. एंड आई जस्ट फील लाइक उसके टेक्स मुझे पसंद नहीं है. और लोग कह रहे हैं कि मैं उसको बहुत हेट करती हूँ. मैं उसको नहीं जानती कि मैं उसको हेट करूँ, पहली बात. और दूसरा, अगर मैं उसको हेट करती तो मैं बोल देती. वो मेरे घर का बिल नहीं भरती है. वो लाइक लाइक शी डजंट टेक केयर ऑफ मी फाइनेंशियली. शी डजंट प्रोवाइड फॉर मी इन एनी वे. शी डजंट इवन नो आई एग्जिस्ट. सो आई रियली डोंट नीड टू से दैट आई डिसलाइक हर व्हेन आई रियली हेट हर. आई डिसलाइक हर. आई डोंट नो हर इनफ टू हेट हर, जस्ट टू बी क्लियर. तो एक र्यूमर है, लेट्स टॉक अबाउट दैट, विच आई फील लाइक इज़ रियली फक्ड अप. अगर ये सच है तो अपूर्व रेबल किड, अगर आप जानते नहीं हो तो मुझे पता नहीं है कि आपने मेरा चैनल कैसे ढूंढा फिर से. बट एनीवेज, रेबल किड एंड रेबल किड का तो आई थिंक लाइक देयर इज लाइक होल वीडियो ऑफ लाइक डॉक्सिंग हर ऑन इंस्टा सेलेब्स गॉसिप सबरेडिट, ओके. एंड दूसरा, लाइक ऑन दैट exact subreddit people are saying that awkward goat is doxed by yar_naman करके कोई इंसान है, and like he is a guy and he has experience in cyber security. Now I don't know much about this guy but I've heard about him before. मतलब like rebel kid वाले टाइम पे तो हाँ, but like इतना नहीं सुना मैंने. बस एक वीडियो देखी थी सबरेडिट पे जब रूही और साहिल का हो रहा था, तो like he was basically sending messages to Sahil saying कि like वो ये करती थी, वो कर रही थी. अगर आपने मेरी वीडियो नहीं देखी about this तो please go watch because I really dislike. No, I really hate Sahil Narang, okay? मेरे हिसाब से डॉक्सिंग कोई भी कर रहा है, किसी को भी कर रहा है, आई थिंक दैट्स रियली रियली ईवल एंड ऑब्वियसली इलीगल एज वेल. डॉक्सिंग का मतलब, अगर आपको नहीं पता है, डॉक्सिंग का मतलब ये होता है कि कोई भी पर्सनल इन्फॉर्मेशन निकाल के दुनिया को बताना, जैसे ईमेल एड्रेस, फ़ोन नंबर, आपका घर का एड्रेस या आपके ऑफिस का एड्रेस, ये डॉक्सिंग होती है. ऑल्सो ये सब मुझे लाइक मेरे को कोई कंफर्म नहीं है, मैं जानती नहीं हूँ उन लोगों को, ये मैंने सिर्फ देखा है. सो ये सब कुछ अलेजेड है, ठीक है. एवरीथिंग इज़ अलेजेड. आई हैव नो प्रूफ कि लाइक ऐसा हुआ है, ऐसा नहीं हुआ है. एवरीथिंग इज़ वेरी अलेजेड, ओके. I also have I've read on subreddits that Shardab Gangawar is also misogynistic in his tones. And people are saying that because like वो कभी टाइटल्स ऐसे रखता है या फिर वो ऐसे like जिस तरीके से वो बोलना शुरू करता है. मैं सिर्फ इतना बताना चाहती हूँ लोगों को कि लोगों के लिए वीडियो इंटरेस्टिंग करने के लिए, जिनकी ये जॉब्स है, दे विल डू दीज थिंग्स. इट डजेंट मीन कि वो मिसोजिनिस्टिक है, या फिर वो हो भी सकता है, मैं उसको जानती नहीं हूँ, बट मुझे नहीं लगता. मुझे लगता है कि लोग लाइटिंग, माइक, कैमरा एंड ऑल ऑफ दोस्त के साथ वो एक पर्सनैलिटी लेके आते हैं एंड वो उसके हिसाब से बोलते हैं. मेरे को नहीं लगता कि वो मिसोजिनिस्टिक इंसान है. आई थिंक लाइक अ लॉट ऑफ पीपल वर सेइंग कि लाइक ही हेल्प देम थ्रू ब्रेकअप्स एंड लाइक लाइफ चेंजिंग शिट. सो लाइक आई थिंक लाइक उसके लिए तो बंदे को क्रेडिट देना चाहिए. एंड लाइक जस्ट टू टेक अवे समवंस चैनल बिकॉज you are petty, and not just even petty, you're just like abusing a system because you know it is run by bots. I think it's very unfair. Also people on my channel as well, and I have seen on subreddits as well, that people are saying कि वो awkward goat का channel basically report कर रहे हैं, like mass reporting कर रहे हैं. I think awkward goat ने भी शहताब के साथ किया, अपने fans के साथ, मतलब fan को बोल के. I don't know कि exactly क्या story है वहाँ पे, but I feel like it's so unfair for everybody involved to be doing this because yes, Shardab के साथ बहुत बुरा हो रहा है and we stand with Shardab because like even if it is not his livelihood, he used it in a fair use way. It wasn't like his, like he was putting her video and not talking over it. I've said this a million times. I think yes, we stand with Shardab about this false copyright strikes, and she has abused the system. She has threatened to abuse it and she has done it, and apparently I'm not sure, this is what I have read allegedly, that her fans were mass reporting Shwetab's channel, and now Shwetab's fans are mass reporting Awkward Goat's channel. I'm against both because do not take someone's livelihood away. You can have disagreements, you can have fights, you can even dislike someone, you can even hate someone, you can even mute someone, but don't take away someone's livelihood. Even if Shwetab doesn't earn full time from YouTube, it's still an income he's counting on. And I think Awkward Goat has like stopped her practice for now, and she's also earning. You can dislike her, but don't take away her livelihood. I think she comes from a very rich background, but at the same time, like this is the money she counts on. This is like her work. Yes, bad work, we don't like it, but still work, still it makes money for her, and like people count on the money they make. You know what I mean? ये मेरी ओपिनियंस है. मुझे नहीं लगता है किसी को डॉक्स करना चाहिए, मुझे नहीं लगता है किसी को मास रिपोर्ट करना चाहिए फॉर नो गुड रीज़न, मुझे नहीं लगता किसी को फॉल्स कॉपीराइट स्ट्राइक भेजना चाहिए, मुझे नहीं लगता कि फेमिनिज्म के नाम पे आप मेन को हेट कर सकते हो. और मेन का ये सोचना कि वो मेन उनसे लोअर है इन एनी कैपेसिटी इज़ ऑल्सो बियॉन्ड बियॉन्ड टॉक्सिक एंड इनसेन टू मी। ये मेरी अपनी ओपिनियंस है, आपकी ओपिनियंस क्या है आप मुझे कमेंट्स में बताइए। और अगर आप मुझसे अग्री करते हैं तो ग्रेट, वी कैन हैव अ डिस्कशन, हैव फन। मुझसे डिसएग्री करते हैं तो आप मुझे बताइए क्यों, एंड वी कैन टॉक रिस्पेक्टफुली।